Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Tesla's Optimus robot and its potential to revolutionize industries, especially facility management. Now, you might be thinking, Tesla makes cars, right? And you'd be right. But Elon Musk and his team have been hard at work developing something truly groundbreaking, a humanoid robot designed to handle everything from mundane tasks to complex operations. We're talking about a future where robots could be taking care of our buildings, our homes, and maybe even making us a cup of coffee in the morning. Now, let's break down exactly what Optimus is and explore how this technology could reshape the future. The journey began back in 2021 when Elon Musk first unveiled the concept of the Tesla bot, later renamed Optimus. His vision? A world where physical labor becomes a choice, not a necessity. Now, this wasn't just some pie-in-the-sky idea. Musk saw a real need for a solution to the growing labor shortages across various industries. Think about it: construction, manufacturing, healthcare, even restaurants are struggling to find and retain skilled workers. And that's where Optimus comes in. Imagine a robot workforce that can handle repetitive, dangerous, or frankly, boring tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more specialized and fulfilling roles. Fast forward to today, and we have Optimus Gen 2, a significant leap forward in humanoid robotics. This isn't just some clunky machine. This is a robot with impressive dexterity and fine motor skills. What does that mean in the real world? Well, we're talking about Optimus being able to handle delicate tasks like picking up eggs without breaking them. Now, imagine that level of precision being applied to maintaining building systems, checking and replacing air filters, inspecting plumbing for leaks, even carrying out minor electrical repairs. And thanks to its advanced AI capabilities, Optimus can learn and adapt to new environments and tasks over time, making it even more versatile. Let's talk specifically about facility management. Now, this industry is facing some serious challenges. Think about all the responsibilities: maintaining building security, ensuring HVAC systems are working smoothly, managing repairs, and basically keeping everything running like a well-oiled machine. It's high pressure, often physically demanding, and as we mentioned earlier, finding qualified workers is tough. But what if you could have a team of Optimus robots working around the clock, performing routine inspections, identifying potential issues before they become major headaches, and even carrying out basic repairs? Imagine the increased efficiency, reduced downtime, and ultimately, the cost savings. It's like having a 24/7 maintenance crew that never complains and doesn't need coffee breaks. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This all sounds expensive. Robots replacing human workers. And yes, there's an initial investment involved. But consider this. We're talking about a long-term cost-saving solution. Optimus robots don't require salaries, benefits, or sick leave. They can work longer hours without getting tired or making mistakes. And because they are designed for precision and efficiency, you reduce the risk of costly repairs due to human error. Over time, those savings add up, making Optimus a potentially game-changing investment for facility management and many other industries. But here's the thing. This isn't just about replacing human jobs. It's about redefining work as we know it. As Elon Musk envisions it, robots like Optimus will handle the mundane and repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and higher-level thinking roles. Imagine a world where you can pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or simply enjoy life without being bogged down by mundane labor. It's a future where technology empowers us to live more meaningful and balanced lives. Now, it's important to acknowledge that this technology isn't without its challenges and concerns: job displacement, ethical considerations, ensuring safety protocols. These are all valid points that need to be carefully addressed as we move forward. But remember, every technological advancement throughout history has come with its fair share of skepticism and concerns. The key is to approach this new era of automation with open minds, a focus on collaboration between humans and machines, and a commitment to using this technology responsibly for the benefit of all. And speaking of exciting Tesla developments, the company recently showcased its Cybertruck and the latest Optimus Gen 2 at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai. It's fascinating to see how Tesla is pushing the boundaries of both electric vehicles and artificial intelligence, creating a future where these technologies could converge in exciting ways. Imagine Optimus robots assisting with Cybertruck production, maintenance, or even accompanying owners on adventurous off-road trips. The possibilities are truly mind-blowing. One of the most impressive things about Optimus Gen 2 is its remarkable dexterity and precision. As we saw earlier with the egg example, these robots are designed to handle delicate objects and perform tasks that require a high level of hand-eye coordination. The secret lies in their advanced actuators, sensors, and articulated fingers, which allow for a wide range of motion and tactile sensitivity. This level of precision opens up a world of possibilities for industries that rely on intricate tasks, from manufacturing and assembly to healthcare and research. Imagine Optimus robots assisting surgeons in delicate procedures or handling fragile artifacts in museums. The potential is truly remarkable. And it's not just about specific industries. Optimus has the potential to revolutionize everyday life as well. Imagine these robots assisting with household chores, providing companionship for the elderly, or even working in dangerous environments like disaster relief zones. They could be deployed to clean up hazardous waste, explore hard-to-reach areas, or even assist in search and rescue missions. The potential applications for this technology are incredibly diverse and could significantly impact our lives in countless positive ways. Now, you might be wondering, this all sounds great, but will it be affordable? Well, Elon Musk has addressed this very question, stating that he believes Optimus could eventually cost less than half the price of a car. While that might seem ambitious, consider the rapid advancements we've seen in technology and the decreasing cost of production. If Tesla can achieve this level of affordability, it could truly democratize access to robotics, making them accessible to businesses and individuals alike. Imagine a world where everyone could have an Optimus robot assisting them with daily tasks, boosting productivity, and improving overall quality of life. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the exciting world of Tesla's Optimus robot and its potential to revolutionize industries, redefine work, and improve our lives. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this groundbreaking technology. What are your hopes and concerns? What applications are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI content coming soon. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future is closer than you think.